Understanding trustee accountability and conflicting interests. The issue of officials, including U.S. trustees, operating under conflicting presumptions is a recurring problem. Trustees often face conflicting roles as either valid U.S. state public officers or foreign bar officers. This conflict directly addresses the 14th Amendment, which states that no person shall hold a civil or military office under the United States or any state if they have engaged in rebellion or provided aid to enemies. Violations occur when trustees prioritize fraudulent corporate fiduciaries over American beneficiaries, thus operating outside constitutional laws and under English statutory laws. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. The role of acting U.S. trustees. A significant portion of U.S. trustees operate as acting trustees, meaning they have not been officially appointed. According to Black's Law Dictionary, an actor in Roman law is a person acting for another, often described as a slave attending to their master's business. This interpretation highlights the potential disqualification of acting trustees under the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments, which abolished slavery. Approximately 70 to 80% of U.S. trustees hold the title acting, raising questions about their legitimacy and authority. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Conflicting legal frameworks, American constitutional versus English statutory law. Many public officers operate under conflicting legal systems. The American constitutional framework supports individual rights and Treasury access for debt settlement. In contrast, English statutory laws prioritize penalization for debt, benefiting foreign banking systems. This discrepancy demonstrates the influence of foreign statutory law over constitutional protections, perpetuating systemic fraud and undermining American sovereignty. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Steps to address trustee violations. Identify violations, recognize conflicting roles and hold trustees accountable to constitutional law. Issue notices, use formal notices to inform trustees of their constitutional violations. Engage legal tools, invoke the 14th Amendment and the expatriation process to remove conflicting foreign obligations. Freeze trusts, renounce beneficiary roles in foreign trusts, compelling trustees to liquidate assets and return them to original grantors. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Understanding the Expatriation Act. The Expatriation Act of 1868 allows individuals to renounce foreign beneficiary statuses tied to fraudulent trusts. By disavowing foreign affiliations, beneficiaries can reassert their constitutional rights and sever ties with foreign banking controls. This act ensures protection against fraudulent assignments and reclaims assets under American law. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Key concepts, beneficiary roles and constructive trusts. Fraudulent assignments often designate individuals as both grantors and beneficiaries in constructive trusts. These trusts divert rightful assets to foreign entities, creating liabilities for individuals. Renouncing foreign beneficiary roles disrupts this fraudulent system, compelling trustees to liquidate and return assets to rightful owners. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Challenging fraudulent systems. Fraudulent banking systems exploit public ignorance of constitutional rights. Understanding the legal framework, historical context, and steps to address violations empowers individuals to reclaim their rights. Utilizing the Expatriation Act, 14th Amendment, and other legal tools can dismantle these systems, restoring constitutional integrity. This information is for educational purposes only. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.